Hey everyone, this is Dan Caruso, Sports Director here at Agency Access. Today we're going to go through a quick video of how to build a list using our list builder tool. You can also check out our articles in our help center for more information at help.agencyaccess.com. Now, once you log into your account, you'll be brought to your dashboard. From the dashboard here, you can click Go to Lists, or you can also use the navigation bar on the left-hand side and select the Lists icon. Once you're brought into lists, it will show a group of all your saved lists that you previously built. But more importantly for this video, we're going to go ahead and click Create List in the top right corner. Okay, now the first thing we're going to go ahead and do is name our lists. I'm going to call this September Newsletter. You have the option of putting it into folder to keep your saved list page organized, or you can just leave it in the default folder. Now once you've named your list, we're going to get to the point where we're adding a segment. So each segment is one company type. A company type can be selected in the drop down here. So for our first segment, I am going to use agencies. And then right below it, we have the ability to add criteria. So once you start adding criteria, you'll get the options to narrow down your search results. So we're going to go ahead and do specialty first, and we'll select automotive for this example. Now we can continue to add criteria. We have the ability to set location. You can do United States, Canada, United Kingdom, Latin America, and so on. Or you also have the option where you see an arrow here to go in and get a little more specific with that category. So for this one, we'll go ahead and we'll do Northeast. Okay, now for role, again, you have the option of selecting the roles here, art directors, art producers, or you have the option to select the arrow and then go in and do a more specific search for positions. So we can remove the juniors and the interactors if we didn't want those. Okay, and then lastly, we have promo preferences. This is going to be more so in regards to email. If you are building lists for an email campaign, we suggest that you always build it based on whether or not the contacts accept email. Okay, so now we have our criteria. We're going to go ahead and select Add Segment. And this is going to run a list for us. So we came up with a list of 176 contacts. So far, we have selected 0 of them. So you can see our agency segment over here on the left-hand side. You have the option to go back and edit the segment if you didn't like the results. If you wanted it to be more or less, you could do that. More importantly, once you come in here, if you are happy with it, you can select the checkbox to the left of the word company. It'll select all of them for you. When you click on the name of a company, you're going to see the company profile. So this is just going to pull up a company information where you can see their phone number, email, web, social, location, address, their specialties, some similar companies down below. And then you can also see some of their contacts, what brands they work with, and the research history through this company. Okay, now for companies with more than one contact, you can click anywhere on the row, like BBDO Worldwide here, and you can see the contacts that you're actually selecting, which are the 7 of 7. So if there was a contact or few that you didn't want to include in the promo, you could go ahead and remove those. Okay, so from here, I would recommend going ahead and adding another segment. And then we can say, okay, for this segment, now we want to do corporations. So now we'll go through the same process of adding our criteria. And we're going to stick with automotive as the specialty. I'm going to do Northeast again for location. I'll select art directors and art producers. And again, I only want contacts that accept email. Okay, so now we'll go ahead and hit Add Segment. And again, you'll notice on the left-hand side, you have corporations and you have agencies. Okay, and then we'll add one more. We'll go ahead and we'll do magazines. Now you can open them up all at once. You don't have to use all of them if you don't want to, but for right now, I'm going to go ahead and do them all. Okay, and now we have our last segment here, where we can go ahead and select all on this page, or we can select all 796. Okay, so you'll notice on the right-hand side, this little icon here will say that the list was saved a few seconds ago. It does save every few seconds for you, so you don't have to worry about losing any work that you've done already. And then you have the option, of course, to always use the intercom or the live chat option should you have any questions. Okay, so that's it for today, everyone. Should you have any further questions on this topic, please feel free to check out our help center at help.agencyaccess.com. Thank you.